Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group I3. We would like to present our case-based learning assignments for the biology, diversity, and evolution with the title of Adaptation of Endemic Birds in Indonesia to Habitat Change, examining behavioral, morphological, and genetic responses to deforestation and urbanizations. With the member consists of Adistidea Florentia with the student number of 002, Adinda Supriyani with the student number of 006, Orizaki Naufal with the student number of 007, me myself, Andrew Justin with the student number of 022, and Ilyas Jihadatullah Mario with the student number of 027.
First is introduction. The study of adaptation among Indonesian endemic birds is crucial for understanding biodiversity conservation and maintaining ecosystem health. Birds play significant roles in ecosystems such as pollination, seed dispersal, and pest control, which are essential for ecological balance. According to Mullinge 2023, behavioral adaptations have been widely observed among endemic birds in responses to habitat change. For example, the Javan hawk eagle demonstrates remarkable behavioral flexibility by adjusting its hunting strategies to exploit new food sources available in urbanization areas. Such adaptability is crucial for immediately survival. However, reliance of urban research may also introduce ecological risks, such as reduced prey diversity or increased exposure to human-wildlife conflict. Study case is Indonesia, home to over 1,700 bird species, including around 400 endemics, faces several challenges due to habitat change caused by deforestation and urbanization. These pressures have driven endemic birds to develop behavioral, morphological, and genetic adaptations to survive in altered landscapes. For example, the Javan hawk eagle has adjusted its hunting strategies to exploit new food sources in urban areas, demonstrating behavioral flexibility. Similarly, the Bali starling saw variation in feather patterns and body size to adapt to habitat loss. Genetic adaptations such as those observed in yellow-vented bulbul highlight significant genetic diversity that support resilience to disease and environmental stresses. These adaptations are crucial for informing conservation efforts to protect Indonesia's unique avian biodiversity amid ongoing environmental challenges.
Alright, next slide. It is the evidence of adaptations of the behavioral in evolutions of avians. So according to the Munawir et al. 2024, for instance, it is stated that the Javan hawk eagle, or we also known as Nizaiatus valkesi, has demonstrated their hunting strategy to exploit urban prey populations. But this reliance on anthropogenic research might inadvertently expose the species to novel threats, such as increased human wildlife and reduced prey diversity. And by this research is suggests that while behavioral plasticity is an asset, it may also lead to ecological traps that compromising long-term population stability.
The next is the morphological change in the Javan hawk eagle beak. The morphological change in the beak of the Javan hawk eagle are not particularly significant when compared to the change of occurs during the evolutionary process of older bird species. However, it is important to note that each individual exhibits slight variation in beak shape, and the environment factors such as prey availability and indirectly influence beak morphology. The characteristic of Javan hawk eagle beak is its curve, which allows it to throw the flesh of its prey, as the beak is strong and sharp. So far, there has been the specific study examining the relationship between habitat fragmentation and the morphological change in the Javan hawk eagle's beak, and there is no strong evidence is indicating an increase or decrease in the overall size of the Javan hawk eagle's beak. The change in the beak morphology are a slow and complex process. Nevertheless, small variation in the shape and the end size exists among individuals and populations. Despite this slight difference, the overall beak structure of the Javan hawk eagle tends to remain highly stable. The stability is crucial as the beak is the design for specific tasks such as grabbing, staring, and the raping spray. Significant change caused these curves functions and the morphological change requires substantial energy and research. If these changes do not provide suffi- sufficiently large benefits, natural selection tends to maintain the current big shape. As a top predator, the Javan hawk eagle has varied diet, which primarily includes a range of birds, lizards, bats, and small mammals such as rats and squirrels. Other possible morphological changes in the Javan hawk eagles includes the first is the claw size, because the claw size in the stands can adapt according to the dominant prey species in the habitat, and the second is the wing shape, because it the can change slightly to the adapt to different flight styles. For the examples, to process the fastest prey or the flights long distance. The last is the feather colors, because feather colors can the vary between individual and the subspecies and can be influenced by environmental factors such the temperature and the humidity. The next, the factor affecting the morphology of the Javan hawk eagle are the firstly is the genetics. Genetics play a major role in the determining body shape and the size, including the beak. The second is the environment. The food's availability, climate, and the habitat can affect morphological development during growth. The last, the natural selections. The individual with the morphologies that are more adaptive to their development tends the reproduce more successfully and pass on their traits to the genetics.
Also, the evidence of the morphological adaptations, according to the Hanover et al. 2021, it is provide a further research insight into how endemic birds are responding to environmental stressors. In this case, according to the Hanover et al. 2021, the case of the Bali starling, or also known as Rhicopsa rosildi, it is illustrated how changes in physical traits such as leg size and feather colorations and also can enhance food acquisitions and breeding success in fragmented habitats. According to the Teixeira and Huber 2021, it is stated that these morphological adaptations modifications is highlight the physical adaptability in coping mechanism with the shifting dynamics of available resources. However, it is also important to note that such changes may be limited by the overall genetic diversity of the populations.
To analyze this morphological adaptation, researchers employ morphometric indices, including precise caliper measurements of beak dimensions, spectrophotometry to assess the feather coloration, and body condition indices or BCI that correlate mass with skeletal size. For instance, the Bali starling higher BCI compared to sympatric species reflects its enhanced health and fitness in fragmented landscapes. This finding emphasized this critical role of morphological adaptability in navigating dynamic resource availability and environmental pressures. However, the extent of this adaptation may still be considered by species genetic diversity. By examining such traits across diverse species, researchers can deepen their understanding of the interplay between physical adaptation and survival in Indonesia's rapidly evolving ecosystem. Through the study of Herno et al. 2021, the morphological adaptation revealed how endemic bird species respond to environmental pressures, offering critical insight into their survival strategies, such as the Bali starling or Leucopter rothschildi exemplifies this through notable changes in beak dimensions and feather coloration, enhancing its adaptability in fragmented habitats. Over time, its beak length has decreased by an average of 1.5 millimeters, while depth and width have increased by zero point 0.9 millimeters and zero point 0.7 millimeters, respectively, optimizing its ability to exploit diverse food resource. Concurrently, this intensity of blue hues in its feathers has increased by approximately 20%, aiding in camouflage and mate attraction within altered environments. Compared to sympatric species like the black-winged starling or Sturnus melapterus, these adaptations are more pronounced, underscoring the Bali starling superior morphological plasticity. The next one is the evidence of genetical adaptation by the study of Yanduvi et al. 2022, the genetic diversity plays a critical role in shaping the adaptive capacity and resilience of endemic bird species to environmental pressures, particularly in rapidly changing habitats. The yellow-vented bulbul or Pycnototus goevier exemplifies this, exhibiting high genetic variability with a heterogeneity index, the number of 0.65. This high heterogeneity reflects the presence of a broad genetic reservoir, enabling the species to adapt effectively to urban stressors such as pollution, habitat fragmentation, and anthropogenic disturbances. Through natural selection acting on pre-existing genetic traits, populations with greater genetic diversity are better equipped to buffer against environmental changes. In addition to heterogeneity, allelic richness or HR serves as another key parameter, representing the variety of alleles within a population. A higher allelic richness correlates with a greater adaptive potential. For example, the Bali starling or Leucosar roxildi demonstrates a higher allelic richness with number of 88.5 compared to the sympathetic black-winged starling with number of 6.2, which highlights its superiority capacity to persist in fragment environments. However, habitat loss and urban expansions pose significant threats leading to genetic bottlenecks that reduce population size and erode genetic diversity. Such bottlenecks increase the risk of inbreeding, as indicated by the inbreeding coefficient. The Javan hawk eagle, for instance, has a moderate inbreeding coefficient, signaling a greater risk of genetic vulnerabilities compared to the yellow-vented bulbul, which exhibits a lower inbreeding coefficient, indicating a healthier genetic structure. Preserving genetic diversity is essential to ensuring that the long-term adaptability and survival of endemic species. Populations with high heterogeneity, robust allelic richness, and minimal inbreeding are better positioned to withstand environmental challenges and recover from disturbances. Conservation strategies must therefore prioritize protecting populations with diverse genetic pools to mitigate the impacts of genetic bottlenecks, safeguard adaptive potential, and enhance species resilience against ongoing environmental threats such as deforestation, urbanization, and climate change.
The next slide is discussion. We have the adaptation observed in Indonesia. Endemic birds highlight the interplay between behavioral, morphological, and genetic mechanism. While behavioral flexibility often acts as an immediate buffer, it must align with morphological and genetic change to sustain long-term survival. For example, a species that adapts its foraging behavior may struggle to survive if it lacks the necessary morphological traits or genetic diversity to exploit new research effectively. This interplay emphasizes the importance of a holistic understanding of adaptive mechanism for effective conservation planning. In conclusion, the adaptation of Indonesia's endemic birds to habitat change highlight their remarkable resilience through behavioral, morphological, and genetic mechanisms. However, ongoing habitat loss and fragmentation pose significant challenges, underscoring the urgent need for conservation strategies that restore habitat, preserve genetic diversity, and support species adaptability to ensure their long-term survival. They are observable among species such as the Javan hawk eagle, Bali starling, and yellow-vented bulbul, underscore the remarkable resilience and flexibility of these birds in the face of increasingly challenging conditions. However, the ongoing threats to their habitats necessitate urgent conservation efforts. By fostering a comprehensive understanding, it could develop more effective strategies to safeguard Indonesia's unique avian fauna and promote ecological stability. That's all from our group. Thank you.